Hello friends and welcome to AK Agarwal Aptitude series. Friends, in this session we are going to learn a technique for solving a problem on permutation and combination. Here the given problem is university question paper has 5 questions in part A and 5 questions in part B. If a student has to choose 3 from part A and 3 from part B, in how many ways he can choose the question? Here 4 options are given: 100, 81, 64 and 36. So friends, student has to choose 3 questions from section A and 3 questions from section B. So in how many ways he can choose the question? So if we see the part A, from A he can choose in 5C3 because he has to choose 3 questions out of 5. So 5C3, it means 5 into 4 into 3 divided by 3 is to 2 into 2 into 1 is equal to 10 ways. So from A, 10 different combinations are possible if he has to choose 3 questions out of 5. Same thing for section B. From section B again he has to choose 3 out of 5. So he can choose 5C3 ways, means 5 into 4 into 3 divided by 3 into 2 into 1 is equal to 10. So from section B also he can choose the question in 10 different ways. Now he has to choose 3 from A and 3 from B simultaneously. So obviously he can choose in 10 into 10 is equal to 100 different ways. So if a student has to choose 3 questions from section A and 3 from section B, if there are 5 questions in A and 5 questions in B, it means he is having 100 different combinations possible. So in 100 different ways he can choose the questions. Friends, thank you very much for watching this video. You can also join me on Facebook.